Today, I'm going to show you how to bleep out swear words in your videos using CapCut. If you want to keep your content friendly for all audiences, or just add a fun, classic censor effect, this tutorial will walk you through every step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to isolate any unwanted words, add a crisp beep sound, and make your video sound polished and professional. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to isolate the piece of audio where the swear word appears. Start by playing your video and listening closely for the part where the word pops up. It helps to use headphones here. It makes it easier to hear exactly when the word starts and ends. Once you've pinpointed the moment, grab CapCut's split tool. Imagine this tool as a pair of digital scissors. You're going to click right before the word begins, and then again just after it ends. This neatly slices your audio track, leaving you with a short clip that contains just the word you want to bleep out. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can always zoom in on the timeline and fine-tune those cuts until the clip matches up perfectly with the word. Now you've isolated the word, it's time to add that iconic beep. Head over to the Audio or Sound Effects section inside CapCut. This is where CapCut really shines, because you have a whole library of sound effects at your fingertips. Type beep into the search bar, and you'll see a bunch of options. Some are classic electronic beeps, others have a softer tone. Pick one that nails the vibe you're going for. Next, drag the beep sound onto your timeline and place it directly over the swear word's audio clip. You want the beep to cover up the word entirely, not just overlap a little. Notice that the beep sound effect might be longer or shorter than the actual word. If it's too long, use the split tool again to trim it down. If it's too short, you might need to drag another beep and line them up, or stretch it if possible. The goal is to make sure the beep aligns tightly with the swear word so it's seamless and doesn't distract from your video's flow. Finally, we need to mute the original swear so it doesn't play underneath the beep. Click on the audio clip that you split out earlier, the one with the word we're censoring. In CapCut, there's a little volume slider for each audio segment. Slide it all the way down to 0. This completely mutes that section, so when you play the video back, all you'll hear is your chosen beep effect, no accidental leak of the swear word itself. Take a moment to preview the section you've just edited. Listen and watch closely. Does the beep cut in at the exact right moment? Is the swear word definitely muted? If not, don't stress. Just tweak the timing of the beep or adjust your splits until it fits just right. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to make the censor sound clean and natural. And there you have it. You've just learned how to bleep out curse words in CapCut so your videos can stay professional and audience-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Got questions or want to share your own editing tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Finally, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more useful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!